issued Tornado Watch number 56, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Collin, Hunt, Kaufman, and Rockwall.